Okay, so today we're going to be working on Hangman Division. To set this up, you're going to start creating our box that we use for division, but then you're going to draw a line all the way down so it kind of looks like we're playing Hangman. Then we're going to write our number up at the top, our dividend. We're going to have 2,832. Then our divisor is going to be 17. Now what we're doing is we're looking for partial quotients or partial answers to fill in our box, or to fill out down here. And in this box, we're going to be doing our subtraction. So let's say we're going to look and we're going to try and figure out how close to 2,000 we can get 17. So I'm going to look and I'm going to see what 17 times 100 is. Well, let's do this as a lattice. So we've got 17 and then 100. We draw our box. One times 7 is 7, 1 times 1 is 1, and then we know that 0 times anything is just 0. So then we add, so 1,700. Let's use that. So we'll put 100 on the side. And then in our box, we're going to put our 1,700. And now we're going to subtract. So 2 minus 0 is going to be 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. 8 minus 7 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is also 1. So we're left with 1,132. So looking back, I know we can't do another 100 because that would be way too close. So let's think, what is something else? Let's try multiplying 17 by 30. So we'll do our 1, 7, 3, 0. Again, we're doing our lattice multiplication. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3. And we know 0 times anything is 0. So we'll add this up. 510, is that less than 1,132? Yes, so let's do that. We'll do 30 over here. We'll do 510. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. We can't subtract 5 from 1, so we have to borrow. So now we have 11, so 6. So 622, let's try doing 30 again because 510 was really close. So we'll do another 30 over here. Write 510 and subtract. So we've got 2, 1, 1, 112. So now we gotta look. We gotta try and figure out how many times or how close we can get 17 to 112. And I'm thinking, let's try multiplying 17 by 8. So we're just gonna do our standard multiplication setup over here. So we know 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. That's too big, so we got to go smaller. So let's try 17 times 6. Again, just our standard multiplication setup. 6 times 7, we know is 42. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. 102 is smaller than 112. So we'll put our 6 over here on this side, right there. Then we'll do 102 and subtract. So we've got 0, 1. Is 10 less than 17? Yes. So 10 is going to be our remainder. But we're not done. We have to add up all of our partial quotients on the side. So we have 100 plus 30 is 160, plus 6 is 166. So the way we're going to write this is we want to make our remainder into a fraction. So we're going to write our quotient, which is 166. And then if our remainder is 10, we're going to put 10 real small up here, draw a line, and then our divisor is always going to be our denominator, so it's going to go underneath. So 166 and 10/17 is our answer. So guys, this is Hangman Division. I know that a lot of you really like doing this method. I highly recommend it. I think it's a lot easier than some of the other ones that we've learned. So if you have any problems, I hope that this video helped you out.